Think koalas are just cute, sleepy fluff balls? These marsupials have some hilarious and weird secrets. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day, which means they spend 90% of their lives napping. Basically, they're professional couch potatoes. Because their diet is 100% eucalyptus leaves, koalas actually smell like eucalyptus, which is weirdly kind of refreshing. Before a baby koala can eat leaves, they have to eat their mom's poop to get special bacteria for digestion. Parenting goals? Maybe not. Koalas are cute, lazy, and totally bizarre. Basically, nature's most chill marsupials. Like, comment your favorite fact, and subscribe for more. Now, go take a nap, koala style.